Hello guys, today I have a quick fix to a common problem here in After Effects. Creating a new After Effects tutorial for each day of the year, day 6 of 365. If you ever try to put Gaussian blur, any blur effect, and you see this edge cut, or if you ever try the deep glow and you see the same thing, or if you ever try the, I don't know, wave warp and you increase this and you see that the layer cut off. So I have a quick solution for you. Three ways to fix this. The first one is the easiest one with the effect row bounce. You have to move the effect above, otherwise it will not work, and increase here the value. And you see now it's fixed. The other method is with the effect CC Reptile. Move it above, and you have to change here in repeat to none, and you have to increase each one of these values. And the last method is with a common effect glow. You have to move it above and increase the glow radius to 1000, and there you go. So this is a very common problem here in After Effects, and this is a way to fix this without having to recompose your layer and then add in the effect. So sometimes you don't want to do the pre-composition, so this is a better way to fix that problem. That's all for today's tutorial, and I will see you in the next tutorial.